I'll show you how you can get into BIOS two ways. So first way, from the cold boot, turn it on, tap the enter key a few times, and choose F1 to go into BIOS. There we go. And the other way is, if you sometimes cannot get into this boot menu option, you can do it through Windows. So what we'll do, we'll go into Windows and I'll show you very quickly. Okay, so Windows, power button, hold the shift key on the keyboard and press the restart. And soon you should get the recovery menu option. Here we go. Troubleshoot, advanced, UEFI, restart. And there you have it, you're in BIOS. You can only do this if you have secure boot enabled. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you in the next one.